I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible. Why, you may ask? To not waste time. You see, a lot of videos on YouTube, they are unnecessarily long, like way too long. Like, have you seen the 2 hours documentary on food? You don't need an 8-minute video for ideas on side hustles, okay? A lot of the finance videos are made to benefit the creator, not you. Unless they are specific finance videos, like for specific problems, they're not gonna help you. P.S. Solving specific problems usually comes from experience anyways, so just go out there and get experience, and that would be 10 times more valuable. So my point still stands. You don't need to know 5 ways to be productive. They're common sense. Just get off of YouTube and get your ass to work. Stop sitting here for hours watching videos pretending like you're researching for money ideas, and just get your ass to work. But before you go, maybe leave a like, maybe subscribe, maybe comment. Nah, I'm just kidding. Subscribe, like, comment, I don't really care. But what you should do is get the hell out of YouTube. Stop distracting yourself. Don't go on Instagram. Get to work. Good luck out there, soldiers. Bye.